Attention supermoms, tired of same old lunches? Let's add some excitement to your meal plan. Introducing Nourish and Bloom lunchboxes. Specially crafted for breastfeeding mums, our lunchboxes are packed with all the nutrients you need to keep your energy up and your milk supply flowing. Think iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids all in one delicious meal. Imagine this, a ready-to-eat nutritious lunch that fits seamlessly into your busy day. No more wondering what to eat or how to get your nutrients. Just open, enjoy, and get back to doing what you do best, being an amazing mom. Feeling adventurous? Our diverse menu will keep your taste buds excited with a variety of flavors and ingredients. From hearty salads to scrumptious grain bowls, we've got something for every palate. And the best part? You're not alone. Join our community of supportive mums, sharing tips, stories, and encouragement. With Nourish and Bloom, you're not just getting a meal, you're getting a lifeline. So why wait? Fuel your motherhood journey, one delicious lunch at a time. Subscribe to Nourish and Bloom lunchboxes today, and make lunchtime the easiest, most nourishing part of your day. Thanks for watching, and remember, a happy mom means a happy baby. See you next time. Alternate closing. Ready to make lunch the easiest, yummiest part of your day? Subscribe to Nourish and Bloom lunchboxes now and join a community of mums just like you. See you soon.